Have you ever wondered what's really going on behind the scenes of those cool, interactive websites you use every single day? Well, it's often a powerful team of technologies working together. Today, we're going to break down one of the most solid combinations in web development, the modern web stack, with a focus on PHP and MySQL.
So let's start with the big question. What exactly is a web stack? It might sound super technical, but honestly, just think of it like a recipe. It's just a specific set of ingredients, or in this case, technologies, that developers mix together to cook up a fully working website. Let's see what's in this one.
Okay, so this stack has two main superstars. First up is PHP. Think of PHP as the website's brain. It's the backend language that handles all the heavy lifting and the logic. Processing your login, grabbing search results, or tallying up your shopping cart. Then you have MySQL, which is like the website's long-term memory. It's a database that neatly stores and organizes all the important data, from user profiles to product catalogs. Put them together and you get those dynamic, data-driven experiences we all expect online.
To really get how all these pieces fit together, let's use an analogy. Let's think about it like building a house. Every solid web application has different layers, right? Just like a house has its foundation, its plumbing and electricity, and all the professional finishing touches. Let's start with the part everyone sees first.
First up is the front end. This is the part of the house that everyone actually sees and interacts with. HTML5 is the core structure. It's the walls, the doors, the windows, all clearly labeled for what they are. CSS3? That's all the interior design, the paint color, the cool lighting, the furniture that gives the place its style. And finally, JavaScript is what brings it all to life. It lets you open the windows, flick the light switches, and even move the furniture around in real time. It's what makes the house interactive.
All right, now let's head into the back end. This is the engine room of our house. PHP provides the real power, kind of like the electrical wiring and the plumbing system. MySQL is that secure, organized storage room where you keep all the valuables. And form handling? That's like the secure mail slot that takes information from the outside world and makes sure it gets processed correctly. This is all the hidden machinery that makes a website truly powerful. And finally, we've got the professional polish. This is what really separates a simple shed from a state-of-the-art home. Session management is like a smart key system. It remembers who you are as you move from room to room. MVC architecture is the master blueprint that keeps everything organized and easy to upgrade later on. And of course, security best practices. Those are your alarm systems, your reinforced doors, absolutely essential for any build you want people to trust.
So, after seeing all these different parts, you might be asking yourself, okay, but is this for me? It's a fair question. Let's talk about who this technology is really a great fit for.
Let's take a look at the kind of people and the kind of projects where this powerful and honestly really accessible stack can truly shine.
The great thing about this stack is that it appeals to a lot of different people. It's a fantastic starting point if you're an aspiring web developer because the learning curve is pretty friendly. It's also perfect for computer science students who want to take all that theory and apply it to real-world projects. And for freelancers, it's a game changer for building robust, custom websites for clients. The barrier to entry isn't some long list of courses, it's really just having a basic comfort with computers and an interest in solving logical puzzles.
Okay, so we know what the stack is, and we know who it's for. But what's the actual end game here? What's the practical outcome of mastering all these tools? What can you really build?
One of the big reasons this stack has remained so popular is that you can get up to speed with it pretty quickly. In a focused period of time, say 14 weeks, a dedicated learner can go from the absolute basics to building professional-level applications. It's a set of technologies that gives you a really powerful return on your investment of time and effort.
At the end of the day, the whole point of learning any tech stack is to build real things that actually work out in the real world. And the skills we've been talking about, from the front-end design to the back-end security, are exactly what the industry is looking for in professional web development roles. This isn't just about learning theory, it's about being ready to build, secure, and maintain the kind of applications that businesses truly rely on.
So there you have it. We've broken down the modern web stack, from the stuff you see on the screen to the powerful engine running in the back. And while new technologies are always popping up, this combination of PHP and MySQL has powered a huge part of the web for decades. Its core ideas, separating structure, style, and data, are still fundamental to all web development today. The key takeaway isn't just knowing the tools, but really understanding the architecture. Which leaves just one final thought. What will you build with it?